Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 iPhone 11 rumors that I hope are true. One thing first is being the price. The price is expected to remain the same for each respective model. So the 11, 11 Pro, or 11, 11 Plus, whatever they're going to be calling it, 11 Max, whatever they decide to go with naming-wise this year, the price will probably be the same for each respective screen size and storage size. We expect to only see the triple camera setup on the Max model or the Pro model. So the more expensive, larger model will be getting the 3 camera design, and the smaller one will remain the 2 camera setup, just like the iPhone XS and XS Max. Another thing is that we won't be seeing any design changes. It's going to remain the same design as the as the 10 and XS Max. So nothing changing there really design-wise. We should also see a wireless power share feature like the Samsung Galaxies have, so you can charge your Apple Watch and your AirPods on the back of your iPhone. That would be really cool to see if you need to top up your AirPods while you're on the go, if your case dies or something like that. Front camera improvements are also expected, maybe from 7 to 12 megapixels on the new iPhones, so that will be nice to see. Apple is also reportedly sticking with a 7nm process instead of a 5nm process for the processor, because the 5nm processor will not be ready in time, but we should see about a 20% improvement in speed and stuff like that on the upcoming A13 chip. So those are just some of the iPhone 11 rumors that I've seen so far that I hope are true. Better battery life, better processor, better cameras, maybe some screen improvements, but no size changes, and the same kind of design. One thing that isn't really rumored, but I hope to see, is Apple switching the iPhone to USB-C, because I'm just tired of how quickly the lightning cables wear out. The ends of them just stop working, so USB-C would be very nice to see, like we have on the iPad Pro. This has been Colin with Techout. If you have any opinions about these rumors, go ahead and leave them down in the comments section below, and we can talk about it there. Have a great day.